Components introduction. Engine. Spray gun. Manual spray gun trigger. Safety valve of the primer tank. Primer tank. Air pressure tank. Safety valve of air pressure. Pressure gauge. Air compressor. Primer oil inlet. Primer oil outlet. Operating steps. Open the safety valve at the front of the tank. Open relief valve of the primer oil inlet. Fill the machine with 25 kg primer oil. Adjust the position of spray gun. Turn off all valves. Fill the engine with engine oil. Start engine. When pressure gauge shows 0.8 megapascal, start to spray primer oil. Finishing operation. Turn down the throttle. Set engine switch to off. Open safety valve of air pressure tank. Release pressure to 0. Open the safety valve of the primer tank to release pressure. Close the safety valve of the primer tank. Maintenance. The machine can only be moved swung forward and backward, but not leftward or rightward. Otherwise, the primer oil will enter the carburetor, causing the engine to fail to work. There is no need to drain the remaining primer oil in the primer tank, because there is no contact with the air. When engine oil in air compressor is below the red point, add engine oil over the red point a little. Notices. Primer oil is explosive, so keep the machine away from fire. All pressure must be released before filling primer oil again. Then open valve to put primer oil into primer tank. Do not mark lines until primer oil is dry. FAQ. How to release all primer oil. Open the valve of the primer oil outlet to drain the primer tank. How to adjust the width of primer oil line. Adjust the height of the spray gun to change the width of the marking lines. The higher spray gun is from the ground, the wider line is. How to solve the problem that spray gun does not spray paint even when pressure reaches 0.8 megapascal. There is a yellow valve at the arrowhead. Then set the upward arrow to spray the paint and wash out the dregs, or set the arrowhead downward to spray out the primer oil like sector. What kind of road is primer machine usually applied in? Dirty road, cement road, and road on which lines has just been removed. Thank you for watching.